In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to finally offset in Cricut Design Space using Cricut Design Space and not another program. This is very exciting. The feature has just been launched. Start by adding your text. You can use any font you like, and I'm using Valentine Vibes. There is a lot of space between the characters, so I need to reduce it by clicking the down arrow on letter space until they are touching, and I'm happy. Next, come up to the offset and click on it. You can use the slider and make your offset bigger or smaller. You will also see a bubble around your text now. Don't worry so much about corner, just leave it as an arch. Click apply and you will have a welded offset. You can go ahead and cut these two layers out, but if you would like another offset layer, this is what you can do. Hide the original layer and select the offset you just made. Go back to offset and change the distance again until you're happy. Then click apply. Now you have all three layers ready to cut. You can also do this for images, so let's do that now. Go and select an image. I'm going to use this really cute rainbow. I found that the process is a little bit different with some images. If I go ahead and try and make an offset, you'll see something strange happens. To fix this issue, duplicate the image and weld the layer you want to offset. It will make it one solid color instead of all the layers. Next, go up to offset and apply an offset. You will notice this time it worked well. Delete the welded rainbow and now center the rainbow and the offset together. These would make very cute stickers, and I'm so glad that the offset feature is now available. It is going to make designing so much easier for you guys. Have you tried this new offset feature yet? Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next tutorial.